Hello everyone, my name is Allie, and today I'm going to show you how to format and fill an effective, simple resume. This resume is organized, and an organized resume could be the difference between employment and losing the job to another applicant. I'm going to show you how to make it using Microsoft Word 2015. To start, you should put your personal contact information. Click on Insert, then on Table, and select a 2x1 table. Type your first and last name in the left column, then switch over to the right column and right-align the text. Then, type your address, phone number, and email address. After you've done that, switch back over to the left table, click on Layout, and under Table Tools, select Align Bottom Left. You should bold the text for your name and enlarge the font to make it clear and unmistakable. You should then click outside the first table, hit enter once, and type the word objective, followed by a colon in bold letters. Here you will describe your goals and expectations of the job you're applying for. This is also where you'll include any special abilities. Next, hit enter 3 times. Create another table for your work history. This should be 2 columns wide, and you may adjust according to your personal work history. Make sure to leave 2 columns for labeling this section. In the top left column, type Work Experience. Highlight this entire first row, go to Table, and click on Merge Cells. Skip the second row completely to provide a clean space to enhance the organization. In the third row, type the month and year of your most recent job. You should include 2 dashes between the start date and the end date. Then, hit Tab to bring you to the second column. There, you should write your position of the job in bold, the name of the company in italics, space dash space, and then include your city and state. Hit enter. Make sure italics is no longer on, and describe your position and responsibilities. Hit enter again for another white space. The white space will help it look cleaner and easier for an employer to read. Drag the margin to meet where your end date is for your job. The rest of your work experience will use the same exact format. After you've completed that table, click outside of it. Create another table for your education. It will be 2 columns wide, and you may adjust the rows according to your educational background. Remember to leave the first 2 rows for labeling. You will again merge the first 2 cells, which is under Table. In this row, you may type Education or educational background. Before adding anything else, drag the margin in this table to match up exactly with the table above it. Skip the second row. In the first cell of the third row, type the dates that you attended your school or university. In the second cell, use bold to type the degree that you earned. If it is a high school education, use your weighted GPA if it is higher than a 3.0. Then, in italics, include the name of your school or university, space dash space, and then the city and state in which your school is located. Hit enter and be sure to turn off italics. Fill the space with different clubs and activities you are involved in. If you wish, you may include different subject areas in which you excelled. You can add more categories in this same format if you wish, such as references. Finally, you will want to go through the document and clear out any borders. Again, this will make it more clean. Click into any table and click on the little box in the upper left-hand corner. This will highlight the entire table. Then, click on this section and select No Border. Highlight the titles of your different tables, such as Work Experience, and make them bold. Change the font to Arial. Go to the font section of your homepage. Make the titles all caps except for your personal information section. Keep the titles highlighted and add a bottom border to aid in organization. Make sure you do this for all of your titles. You want to do all of this fine-tuning after your general formatting so that in case you make a mistake, you don't have to reformat multiple tables. Add or delete any white space you think will make your resume look more presentable. Thanks for watching! I hope this video was helpful. Good luck in your job search.